Although this is the second movie, I haven't touched anything. My battery went flat and I went on lunch. I have a suspicion that the plug might be fouled because of the cheesecake that this guy's put in. I've left this exciting moment for everyone to see. First thing we need to do is pump the fufu valve over here. This enables the fuel to circulate. There you go. We're getting somewhere. See the fuel? Fuel needs to go into this little valve so it can circulate. I'm actually taking this entire movie on a tripod that's about 100 years old. Focus! No, it doesn't want to focus. But anyway, if you don't know how to start it, now you do. You've got to pump this little thingy so the fuel circulates. You can hear that it's going around. Okay, so here's the truth. I haven't started it, haven't tried starting it. This is the first time. So, we're smelling fuel. There's the choke. And here we go. Ah, exciting. Doesn't like the choke, I think. Let's take this choke out a bit here. And less choke. And that's it. It's fixed. It's running. Everyone saw it was running. And it's as easy as that. So the basics, what's going on here is I had a look at the fuel. There was no fuel. I had a look at the spark plug. It was dirty, so I cleaned it. Then I opened up the air filter and then found the cheesecake. So basics is so easy. It's not rocket science. You just gotta know a few things and it will run. You shouldn't have any problems. I don't know what his problem was. Most probably he ran out of fuel and thought to himself, you know what, it's broken now. Let me give this guy a call. After he hasn't paid me, he still hasn't paid me. And I've ordered 2 new spark plugs. I've got 5 liters of fuel for him. I've ordered the air filter. Things that I can give you advice on is don't lie to your mechanic. If he's a good mechanic, he would know that you were there. It's just how it works. I immediately knew that was some sort of foul play going on here because I left him with the lawnmower, the bush cutter. It was running perfectly He was cutting his grass when I drove off, and now it's not working after about 2-3 weeks. It doesn't work that way. It's supposed to work. It's a bloody bush cutter. And a lot of people also ask me, how do you know how these engines work? Well, I have some experience. If you look over here, there's a Vespa. I've actually owned a Vespa business, repairing, restoration, you name it, for over 5 years. And it's not the first time that someone's come to me and tried to con me that something's broken, where it's just stupidity that's running this situation. Thanks for watching, and if you did like this movie, please subscribe. There's no subscription fee. And if you did like the movie, like it as well. Do whatever you want. Share it with your friends. Jump off a cliff. Just don't blame me. Jump off a cliff.